teach English language and communication skills, and then I switched to IELTS. And like one fine day, I received invitation from Mr. Qasim Shah. He's a good friend of mine. We work together in some institutes. So I came over and he told me about Taleem Mumkin program, and I was really, what do you say, touched from inside that wow, this is awesome. They are thinking about their training and providing them some monetary benefits as well. So as he said, would you like to join this? I said, well, you don't need to ask me. You just need to command me and I will be there and will do it all. When I started, I felt very good because I was teaching something I used to teach. And moreover, I would say, I mean, whether you believe it or not, my teaching was reflection. My teaching was reaction to your actions, to your smiles, to your receiving. You know, teachers can give their best if students are willing to receive. So you were very good recipients, and even when I was coming here, going from here, every time I used to think, what next? This should be something different. This should be something new. So I would say you guys made me a creative teacher. It was your feedback, it was your reaction, and to my activities, by the way, your performance was very good. When I gave you the first activity, you performed well. Then we had that salesman activity and other activities. So because of your participation and because of your enthusiasm, I thought I should go on and think about something else and do something more. So let me say the environment. I mean, if we talk about in bigger terms, this credit goes to Qasim Shah Foundation. Why? Because we all gathered together just because of Qasim Shah Foundation. Now you are from different backgrounds, different areas. I was from a different background and then I came here and you guys came here. So मुझे पोइट्री नहीं आती, एक शेर आता है, सिर्फ एक शेर आता है, वो appropriate भी लग रहा है तो वो सुनाता हूँ. चंद लम्हों की रफाकत ही गनीमत है कि फिर चंद लम्हों में ये शराज़ा बिखर जाएगा. अपनी यादों को समेटेंगे बिछड़ने वाले, अपनी यादों को समेटेंगे बिछड़ने वाले, फिर किसे मालूम कौन किधर जाएगा. एक ही आता था. I just told you. ये एक ऐसे मौके के लिए एक शेर याद किया हुआ है. So please welcome Mr. Qasim.